So in this video we will be looking at the shooting star candlestick pattern. And the shooting star is a simple pattern consisting of only one candlestick, but if you learn to use it correctly, it can be a super helpful tool, a powerful tool that can help you improve your trading. In this video, we will start the video off by taking a look at what defines the shooting star candlestick. So how can we spot it on the chart? How do we identify the candlestick? And after that, we will take a look at some real life examples of the shooting star. So yeah guys, I hope this sounds interesting. And real quick before we start, I just have to give a disclaimer that this video is for educational purposes only and nothing in this video is financial advice. But alright guys, now let's get started right away here. Alright, so what is the shooting star candlestick pattern? Well, it is a bearish reversal pattern. And by bearish, we mean that it indicates a potential reversal to the downside. So this leads us to the next sort of criteria, and that is that the pattern has to come after an uptrend. So prior to the pattern, we need to have some sort of uptrend. So let's say this is the price action. We have a shooting star up here, right here. Looks something like this, sorry for the ugliness. Then the pattern suggests a potential reversal here to the downside. If we, for example, have sideways price action and then a shooting star up here, in this case, this would not be a valid shooting star because the shooting star has to come after a price increase or an uptrend. And preferably, we want to see a strong uptrend prior to the shooting star pattern. Right, so how about the appearance? Well, the upper shadow has to be at least twice as long as the real body. And the real body is the part right here and right here. And the upper shadow is here, and the same thing applies for the red candle. And as you can see below the real body, we have the lower shadow. So this part right here is the lower shadow, and the lower shadow of the red one is down here. And a perfect shooting star candle would have no lower shadow, but it is okay to have a small lower shadow, as you can see here on the picture. So we can say little/no lower shadow. I hope you can see, it's a bit messy now. So this is basically what the shooting star looks like. And as you can see on the screen here, we have two different separate shooting star candles. And the shooting star candle can be either green or red. And the red one is a bit more bearish than the green one. And the reason for this is that in the green one, we have during the day, we have a strong increase and the price reach a maximum all the way up here. But the bears during the day managed to push the price down and close down here. But in the red one, the same thing applies. During the day, the bulls push the price up here, but in this case, the bears managed to push the price all the way down here and managed to close right here, which is below the open price. The open is right here. If you want to learn more about, how to read candlesticks, I actually have a video about that, and I can link it up in the corner in the eye. But as I said, both green and red are fine, but the red one is a little bit better and a little bit more bearish. But alright guys, so now I think we're ready to take a look at a real life example. So right now we are looking at gold and we are looking at the 4-hour time frame. So every candlestick represents 4 hours. And can you spot the shooting star on this chart? Well, it is possible that we have more than one, but the most clear one is this one right here. As you can see, prior to the pattern, we had a strong increase, which is good. We saw a shooting star candle right here. We set the very high of the trend, and after this shooting star, we started to trade here downwards. And I can also just mention here that most of the times you want confirmation before you trade the shooting star pattern. So traders usually don't enter on the actual day of the shooting star. They usually wait for a new candle to close below the shooting star candle. And depending on your risk tolerance, some traders want a whole candle to close below. Some traders just want a candle close. It can basically depends on your personal risk profile. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you feel like you got any kind of help or value, then please consider dropping a like. And if you guys are interested in more, then don't hesitate to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I hope I will see you guys in the next video. But for now guys, take care, ciao ciao.